Hey vegan family, so the lighting outside is amazing, so I had to do the intro to this video outside. I have a new recipe for my buttermilk biscuits, so I'm going to show you guys how I make my buttermilk biscuits, but I'm going to slide these bad boys in those biscuits because I tried these, and when I tell you these Beyond Breakfast Sausage Classic Patties are amazing with it, they're so good. So be sure to stay tuned and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram and Twitter. So let's get this video started. So I'll have the exact measurements in the description box below. But you're going to need to sift in some flour. Make sure it's the self-rising flour. I noticed when I sift in the flour, it makes the dough much softer. Now I'm going to add in some pink salt. So vegetable shortening is the key to biscuits. In my previous video, well, the first video I made for my biscuits, I was using coconut oil. But I realized that when I use vegetable shortening, my biscuits are much more fluffier, softer, and they just taste so much better. In your vegan heavy whipping cream, you're just going to add some apple cider vinegar and let it sit for about 4 minutes. And what this does is it just makes the heavy whipping cream kind of curd up a little bit more, as if, you know, it was buttermilk. So in the middle of your flour mixture, kind of make a well so that you can pour your wet ingredients into it. I'm going to pour in the heavy whipping cream just little by little, and I'm also going to add in some melted vegan butter. This step is totally optional. I just like to use a little bit of turmeric powder because it gives the biscuits a more yellow hue. Now I'm just frisbeeing some flour onto a clean surface, and I'm going to roll my dough. Now the mixture is going to be very sticky. And then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to flour my hands up really generously, and then I'm going to start flouring the dough, and then I'm going to roll it. You're going to see me fold the dough several times. This is key so that you can have layers in your biscuits. baked my biscuits for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. A trick that I like to use is if I could put a knife or a fork or a toothpick through my biscuit and it comes out clean, then it's good. Make sure you don't overcook your biscuits because you don't want them to be hard. Then when you take them out of the oven, just melt about a tablespoon or two of butter and then brush the melted butter on top of the biscuits. Now for the Beyond Breakfast Sausage Patties, I'm just going to put them onto my cast iron skillet and I'm going to add some flavor to it, okay? So I sprinkled on the Queen Chef Majestic meat seasoning and this was amazing. So this is also vegan friendly and it tastes really well and it's very versatile. You can use it on a lot of different things. I'll have the link for that in the description box below. So I just sprinkled a generous amount onto the sausages because I wanted them to have, you know, just a little more flavor. There it is, and you can also add whatever type of jelly you wish, and these taste amazing. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.